Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculating the arc length of a function seems difficult, but you can master this process in under 60 seconds by following these 3 simple mathematical steps today. The arc length of a curve from point A to point B is defined as the integral of the square root of 1 plus the square of the function's derivative. First, find the derivative of e to the power of 5x, which is 5e to the 5x. Squaring this result gives us 25e to the power of 10x. So boom! Substitute the squared derivative into our formula. With bounds from 0 to 3, we get the correct expression, which means that option A is definitely our final correct answer. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid missing the square or chain rule by always using the formula and derivative squared.